Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the SKOL Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the extender into a wall outlet near your router. Press the power button if your model has one. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds. The power LED should become solid. The extender must finish booting before it can search for your router. In this video, I will show you how to set up the DHMXDC wireless N 300 megabits per second Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button method. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signals or internet dead zones in your home or office, this extender can help boost your existing Wi-Fi network and improve coverage. I will explain each and every step in detail so you can easily connect the DHMXDC Wi-Fi extender to your router without using complicated settings. So let's start the setup process. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the SKOL extender. Release it immediately. The WPS LED will begin blinking. The extender now searches for your router. This process usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. During setup, the WPS light may blink. The Wi-Fi LED may blink. Signal LEDs may flash. Do not unplug either device. When setup is successful, power LED is solid. WPS LED becomes solid or turns off, varies by model. Your SKOL Wi-Fi extender is ready. Once the WPS setup is complete, the extender will expand your router's wireless coverage, helping reduce dead zones and providing a stronger Wi-Fi signal throughout your home or office. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.